Hello everyone, how are you doing? Why do I always sing that? I sing my hellos. Hi, how are you doing today everybody? It's lovely to see you. It's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate team and Remax House of Real Estate. And I am coming to you live, gonna give you guys a home tour. Hey Tyler, how's it going, girl? Good to see you. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Guess where I am today? I'm in Airdrie, Alberta. You all know I love Airdrie. We love Airdrie. It is a great city. A great city. Okay, so I am at this pretty cool house today. It's a 2,500 square foot plus basement, fully finished walkout, backing onto the canal. It's an extra wide lot. These lots don't come up that often. It's an extra wide lot and it's got an oversized garage. It's a pretty cool place. Got a lot of neat features. They did some really nice renovations. So, hey Jen, happy Thursday. Thank you. Thank you for that. I keep forgetting what day it is. I don't know. It's been such a busy week. I keep thinking it's Friday, but it's only Thursday. So, are you guys feeling like that a bit too? How's everybody feeling? Are you feeling busy? Is anybody going to the Stampede? What are you up to? Are you having a good summer? I hope so. I hope you're having a lovely summer, enjoying the weather, because it's going by really fast. It's like middle of July already, guys. Make sure you enjoy it, okay? Get outside, do some fun things. Anyways, so what I always make sure you all know is that if you know somebody looking for a house in Airdrie, there's backing water. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 living rooms, so it's got a bonus room, living room, basement, family room, media room. Make sure you tag the person. You can share this on your page or anywhere you want to share it. And also you can start a watch party. So if you want to get people looking at this house, make sure you do all those things or one of them. I would appreciate it very much to help to share the listings that I have. And all of you are amazing friends and clients and followers, and any help that I can get from my clients to help get their houses out there to the world, I appreciate it very much. So I want to say thank you for all of your support. Hi Lynn, how you doing? Good to see you. I'm going to start this tour pretty soon. Maybe Tyler or Jen, you want to tag some people, get them to join in on our little video. Okay, so 226 Canoe Drive is where I'm at today. It's right in the middle of Airdrie, easy to get everywhere, close to shopping and parks and schools, just everything. It's a great location. Okay, so where should we start? Should we go? I guess I can show you the front. You're kind of seeing the house behind me here. Check out this kitchen. Okay, I'll start the tour from walking in the front door. Okay, let's go out the front door. It's got a nice double door here, so it's grand. It's got the double door grand entryway. Okay, so I'll show you the street. Okay, here's the street. We've got a lot of nice houses for neighbors here. It's got this L-shaped garage. Okay, the double door is here. Look, you can kind of see. So, nice exterior. It's got stucco, stone, a lot of nice landscaping. Okay, so you come in to this grand 2-story entry. It's got acacia wood on the main and upper, even on the stairs, but it's got lights in it, a nice open railing, and a cool chandelier. You can see all the way up to the balcony there. Okay, so to your right, you've got the laundry room, closet, just really spacious. So when people come over, there's a lot of room for everybody. Okay, and then right here we have got a dining room. Nice size. This could be a den. It could be whatever you want, but they have it set up as a dining room. Okay, hardwood floor in here again. And then we go in here, we've got the kitchen, which they have done a really cool reno. So nice. This is one of my favorite granites. It's very nice granite. We've got a sink over there, plus a prep sink. Microwave is down here. It's got a hood fan, corner pantry, double wall ovens. Lots of drawers. Who doesn't love drawers? You can never have too many drawers, right? So a lot of drawers here, and then more storage on this side of the island as well. Okay, and then we have some people might say this is enough for their eating area and they could use the dining room as their office, because this is very big too, this eating area. And then we've got the living room. Cool feature wall, little texture. They got the gas fireplace. It's very spacious. We've got knockdown ceilings here. Okay, and I want to show you the deck. It's a full width deck, which is very wide because this is a really wide house. So there's your view. Check that out, you guys. What do you think? Who would love to be living on the water in Airdrie? Table, big room for table, and there's also a balcony off of the master bedroom up there. Very fancy. Okay, so the deck just keeps going, and the yard is really wide, and they have a pond with a waterfall feature all the way up the side of the house here. So nice. They don't have the waterfall on right now, but it's got a lot of natural, it's like a little natural habitat. It's very neat to see. Okay, so there's the house, and it's got a little pergola, little cute little areas everywhere to be sitting and hanging out, a lot of trees for privacy. Okay, so there you go. There is the backyard, the view. Okay, it's good. I gotta keep going here. This has got it's a lot of house to show you guys. Okay, powder room. Look at the upgrades they've done. Really neat. Same granite, raised sink, storage. The laundry room has got stacked laundry, and they put a sink. So right there is your laundry. You come in, it's got wainscoting and everything, and so this is your garage in here. You come in and you got your laundry. Okay, let's go upstairs. Up the stairs, we've got a huge master bedroom. So when you come up, we're just gonna go left. I'm gonna show you the master first. Okay, so here we are. It's all hardwood upstairs too. So this is a massive bedroom, you guys. It's got nice bottom up, top down blinds. That's a huge king size bed, and it looks small in here. There's room for all of your dressers. You could have a sitting area over there. It's a nice bay window. And trees out the front as well. Yeah, what do you guys think? The flooring is so nice. There's heated floors in the bathroom. So in here we got a heated tile. And check out the granite they have up here, and these sinks are so cool. Look at them. Look at the sinks. They're like a really neat upgraded glass with a nice mosaic tile backsplash. And then we got corner soaker tub. We got a nice sized shower, good sized walk-in closet, and then the little potty room right there. So it's got all the things you might want. And here's the balcony. So there's the view from the balcony. You can hear the birdies. Very nice. So this listing will be coming soon in the next few days here. If you want to see it, make sure you message us. You can message us right on here. Okay, so here's a second bedroom. They have it as like an office. Another bathroom with the same granite, same cabinets, upgraded sink, cool light fixtures, lots of sparkle It's very sparkly. Okay, here's your third bedroom upstairs. Right now, it's not being used as a bedroom, but it's a good size. Okay, now there's the bonus room, but this one they're using as a bedroom, but it's a huge bonus room with another fireplace over there. So it's got a lot of windows, it's got a fireplace. It's definitely a good space. Okay, so we're almost done the tour. We're going to go downstairs now. Did I tell you how big it was? It's about 2,500 square feet, and plus the basement. So the basement's pretty big. Got a whole nother bedroom. It's got a media room. I'm gonna show it to you right now. How about that? Okay. So here we go down the stairs, and you come right into this media area with a projector. Let's turn this around. Hi, Megan. Thanks for watching, girl. Okay, we got a projector. Thanks for the hearts. I keep forgetting to ask you guys for hearts. Send me some hearts. Okay, so the projector is included. They've got a little kind of wine cooler built in over here. That's gonna stay. You got a lot of room for your nice big sectional for your family to hang out. Okay, so we've got also just another open area, maybe for games or toys or whatever you want to put down here. So a really big spot. They've got a treadmill, some gym equipment. We got the popcorn maker. Okay, and down we have another bedroom down here. So here's your fourth bedroom. You can have a little view of the pond from here, and they have this paddle boat. That could be negotiable, they have mentioned. Because when you live on the canal, you might want to go paddle boating, right? So double closet in here. This has 2 furnaces, so 2 zones, which is very nice. This bathroom has got the coolest shower. It has got this really neat, like it's like a space, whoops, oh, whoopsie, sorry guys. It's like a spaceship shower. So it's a steam shower, body jets, all the things, music. It's got music in it. When I first came to see this house, the music was just pumping in here. It was like the best bathroom ever. It's got in-floor heat, nice vanity, great space down here too. So we got storage in here. I can show you the yard from down here too. Okay, so it's in really great condition. Check that out. Check that out. What do you guys think? It's a really nice, another spot down here to put your, have another dining or sitting area. Downstairs, it got lights under the, for the lower deck, there's lights above, which is very nice. Okay, so that was the tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed the tour of 226 Canoe Drive in Airdrie. And I'm going to tell you the price. Oh, come back here. What's the deal? You know, these things, they have a mind of their own. All these electronics and stuff. I'm always being a bit challenged with them. Okay, so this home is $839,900. That is the price that this will be listed at in a few days. So if this is something that fits your criteria, if you love this spacious, gorgeous lot with the tranquil canal behind, then you gotta call me or tag your friends that you think might like this house, and we can get you in to see it. So I think that's about it. I'm going to stand beside this beautiful glass because I love it. And I'm going to say thank you to all of you. Hope you're gonna have a great day. Have some fun today. Very important to always have fun. I try to never not have fun. Okay, so thanks for watching everyone, and I'm going to be seeing you very soon, I'm sure. So goodbye from Dione.